Hello students, welcome to English grammar class. Our today's lesson is regular and irregular verbs. So, according to the forms of verb, there are two types of verbs, regular verbs and irregular verbs. I know you are well aware with the word verb. Verb is a doing word which denotes an action. So, and you also know the present tense, past tense and past participle of verb. Now, according to forms of verb, there are two types of verbs, regular verbs and irregular verbs. First, we shall deal with regular verbs. Now, look at the different forms of verb. That is, the present form, past tense, and past participle of verb. I have listed some of the verbs. Now, you just pay a look at these verbs. Number one, walk. This is the base form of the verb. That is, this is the present tense of verb, walk. Now its past tense is walked and its past participle is also walked. What happens here? In the verb, in the base form of the verb walk, two letters ed is added at the end of the verb. That is ed. You can see ed is added to the end of the verb walked, and walk becomes walked. Similarly, in the past participle, the verb is walked. Here also, ed is added to the base form of the verb walk, and so the verb becomes walked. That is, the past tense and past participle of the verb walk is same, walked and walked. Okay. Similarly, play becomes played in past tense and played in past participle. So played. So ed is added to the verb play and it becomes played and played. That means you can make the past tense and past participle of a verb just by adding ed at the end of the verb. Okay? The past tense and past participle of a verb can be made by adding ed at the end of the verb. So work becomes walked, walked. Travel becomes traveled, traveled. So 1, 2, 3, 4. These four verbs, here you see that they become past tense and past participle by taking ed at their end. Now look at the verb love. Here love becomes loved, loved. That is, past tense of love becomes loved and loved just by adding d at the end of the verb. So simple d is added to the verb love. Similarly, dance become danced in the past tense, and in the past participle also it becomes danced. So danced, danced. Okay, so d is added to the verb dance. Similarly, smile becomes smiled and smiled. That means you can also make the past tense and past participle of a verb just by adding d at the end of the verb. So we have just seen there that you can make the past tense and past tense of the past participle of the verb by adding d and ed. Okay. Now look here. Cry, cry, cried, cried. Try, tried, tried. Marry, married, married. Study, studied, studied. What do we see here? Here we see that past tense and past participle of the verb is made by adding IED, to the verb ending in Y. So here cry becomes cried. How? Y is replaced by IED. Look, CRY, CR is common here. Y is replaced by IED. Similarly in try, Y is replaced by IED and try becomes tried. So here past tense and past participle of some verbs become by adding IED in those verbs which end in Y. So what do we see? Overall, we saw that you can make past tense and past participle of a verb by adding D or ED at the end of verb and by adding IED at the end of verb. In the case of verb ending in E, in the case of verbs ending in E, just we will add D. And in the case of verbs that don't end in E, you can make them by past tense past participle by adding ED. And in the case of those verbs which end in Y, in the case of those verbs which end in Y, you can make the past tense and past participle by replacing I with IED. So these are the examples of regular verbs. We call all these verbs regular verbs. So what will be the definition of regular verb? So I have written here, regular verbs are verbs whose past tense and past participle are formed by adding D or ED or IED to the base form of the verbs. मतलब रेगुलर वर्ब्स वो वर्ब्स है जिसका पास्ट टेंस और पास्ट पार्टिसिपल हम बनाते हैं डी ईडी और आईईडी को वर्ब के बेस फॉर्म में जोड़कर, वर्ब का जो बेस फॉर्म, इसको बेस फॉर्म बोलते हैं या इसको प्रेजेंट फॉर्म भी बोलते हैं, इसके एंड में डी जोड़कर या ईडी जोड़कर या आईईडी जोड़कर उसका हम पास्ट टेंस या पास्ट पार्टिसिपल वर्ब्स बनाते हैं। सिर्फ ये याद रखना है कि डी, सिर्फ डी उस वर्ब्स में हम जोड़ेंगे जिसके आखिर में ई होता है, और जिसके आखिर में ई नहीं होता है उसमें ईडी जोड़ेंगे, और जो वर्ब्स के आखिर में वाई होता है वहां पर वाई को हटाकर उसकी जगह पर हम आईईडी लिख देंगे। तो ये था हमारा एग्जांपल्स रेगुलर वर्ब्स के बारे में। अब हम पढ़ेंगे इरेगुलर वर्ब्स। Now let's come to irregular verbs. First, look at the verbs here. Base form, past tense and past participle. Put, put, put. Cut, cut, cut. Hit, hit, hit. Let, let, let. Hurt, hurt, hurt. What do we see? We see in all these examples, all three verbs forms are the same. That is, put, put, put. This is the same. So, in the base form and in the past tense and the past participle, the same verb is there. So, in English language, there are many verbs which have the same form in the present tense, in the past tense and the past participle. So these are a group of verbs which have the same verb form. Now read these verbs: bend, bent, bent. Fight, fought, fought. Bring, brought, brought. Catch, caught, caught. Send, sent, sent. Shoot, shot, shot. Tell, told, told. What do we see in all these examples? We see that past tense and past participle are same. So in these examples show past tense and past participle of the verbs are the same. So there is another group of verbs where we find that the past tense and past participle of the verb is same. So this is another group of verbs. So far we see that there are a group of verbs whose all the verb forms are the same, and the second group of the verbs we see that the past tense and past participle of the verbs are same. Now look at these examples. Come, came, come. Become, became, become. Run, ran, run. What do we see? We see that in these examples base form and the past participle are the same. Come, come, both are same. Become, become, both are same. Run, run, both are same. Only difference is in the past tense. So in these examples base form and the past participle are the same. So this is another group of verbs, but in this group of verbs there are very few verbs. Now read these verbs. Go, went, gone. Do, did, done. Rise, rose, risen. Bite, bit, bitten. Drink, drank, drunk. Eat, ate, eaten. Sing, sang, sung. See, saw, seen. What do we see? We see all the three forms are not the same. They all are different. So all three forms of verb are here different. So this is the fourth group of verbs. So far we saw that according to the verb forms there are four groups of verbs. Here is the two group. Here in this group we see that the base form and the past participle are the same, and in this group we see that all the three forms are not the same, or they are different. In the first group we saw that all the verbs forms were the same, and in another group we saw that the past tense and past participle of the verbs were same. So these are the four groups of verbs. So what is the definition of irregular verbs, or what do you mean by irregular verbs? Irregular verbs are verbs which form their past tense and past participle in a different way from adding ed. मतलब रेगुलर वर्ब्स में हमने किस तरह से मैंने पास्ट टेंस और पास्ट पार्टिसिपल को चेंज किया था, ईडी को जोड़कर. यहाँ पर क्या होगा कि बगैर ईडी को जोड़े या इसको कोई डिफरेंट तरीका से जो है हम इसका पास्ट टेंस और पास्ट पार्टिसिपल हम बनाते हैं. तो इरेगुलर वर्ब्स वो वर्ब्स है जिसका पास्ट टेंस और पास्ट पार्टिसिपल हम एक मुख्तलिफ तरीके से हम बनाते हैं. और इन अनदर वे इरेगुलर वर्ब्स आर वर्ब्स which form their past tense and past participle by changing the medial vowel of the base form. मतलब बेस फॉर्म में जो वर्ब है उसका मीडियल जो वॉवेल है उसको हम चेंज कर देते हैं तो पास्ट टेंस और पास्ट पार्टिसिपल बन जाता है। जैसे एग्जांपल में देखिए सिंग, सैंग, संग। यहाँ पर सिंग में क्या SING, ये जो मीडियल वर्ब जो वॉवेल है आई, इसी को हम चेंज कर दिए किसमें, ए में, यही चेंज हो गया यहाँ पर यू में। तो ये अनदर वे ऑफ डिफाइनिंग इरेगुलर वर्ब्स है। उसी तरह से डू, डिड, डन, ये ओ है वॉवेल, इसको हम चेंज कर दिए आई में और यहाँ पर ओ में चेंज हो गया है। ठीक है, उसी तरह से और भी वर्ब्स हो जाएगा इसमें, जैसे कि राइज, रोज, राइजन। तो यहाँ पर देखिए RISE, यहाँ पर है ROSE, तो इमीडियल जो वॉवेल आई है उसको चेंज कर दिए ओ में। तो इस तरीके से भी हम इरेगुलर वर्ब्स को हम डिफाइन करते हैं। तो ये था हमारा आज का लेसन रेगुलर वर्ब्स और इरेगुलर वर्ब्स के बारे में। आई होप यू हैव गॉट द लेसन, टुडेज लेसन वेल। थैंक यू वेरी मच।